Hey friends, in this video we will see like how to design and build websites in GoHighLevel. So once you have opened your account, so here you can see in the agency account we need to switch. So click here to switch. So sub account we can open, and here you can see now sites option. You will see on the left sidebar in the options list. So once you click on sites, so now we have different options. See, in the sites, we have different options like funnels, websites, stores, webinars, analytics, blogs, WordPress, client portal, forms, surveys, and quizzes, chat widgets, QR codes, these things. So in this video, as I told you, as I explained in the start of the video, that we will see about the designing and building websites in GoHighLevel. So we can click on websites. So when you open first time, so you will see here more website because you are doing it, this is first time. So build website to showcase your products and build trusted brand. Once you have created, so here you will see the list of websites that you have created. So now you can click on new website, or you can create folder first, or you can also start by creating your websites. All your websites and folders will live here. Start by creating your first website, new website. Now you can start from blank, from scratch. Website name you can type here, or from templates also you can start here. So jump start with an awesome pre-built website. So you can use a lot of templates. You can use one of the templates and just edit the content according to your, sub account website content, and then you can publish it. So once you continue it, now here you can see all templates. You here showing 593 templates, my templates, shared with me, favorite. So there are different options. The one templates that you have saved, you can see in my templates, favorites you have. So all templates, you can see here, all templates, and these are the categories. So according to your website category, you can select that option. For instance, if you are going to create a website for beauty and fashion client, so you can click here. So you can see now we have only beauty and fashion templates. And these are the different templates and types. Also, you can see like if you are going to build only a blog related to financial, for example, so you can click financial and blogs. So now these are related to blogs related to financial, and these are the websites when you uncheck blogs. So the tags you can see, the tags you can also select. So here, for example, if we come back here to this and browse categories, you can see here like creative, e-commerce store, and in these, for example, if I click on creative, so you can see here like content writer, creative designer, and interior decor. So these are the different, like this one also we can select. You can see this is UI UX designer, so you can see a lot of thing here like website designer also. See, so for example, let's suppose like our website, the website that we are going to create, the sub account, it is related to some website designer. So now we will select choose template, or you can click on preview. So if you preview first, so you can preview how your website will look in desktop. Like here is the logo, here is the navigation, and here in the header you can see a button also. When you hover the mouse, so you can see a very good and stunning effect you can see here. Now in the hero section, we can see here at the left side, here is a heading and there is a button, and on the right side we can also see. Then we have this container. So different containers here we have. So we can see the template like the footer also. If we are satisfied with this, then we can choose the template, how it will look in tablets devices. You can see like this, and how it will look in mobile devices. So you can also see here. So once you are satisfied, so you can click on the choose template. And once you have chosen the template, now the GoHighLevel will add this template to your site and arranging and finalizing the entire final layout with the demo containers that we checked before. So now here you can see like logo is here and the navigation is here. So how easy it is, if you want to edit, design your website now. See, design your digital success. Now this heading, if you want to edit, first, if you click here, so you can see on the right side, we have the headline options all. Like headline, you can see journal, style, and animations we have also. So if you click on journal, now you can see the typography options. Like right now it is Poppins. If you want to change to Roboto, see it is Roboto. So you can change also, like see, and you can also search here the fonts. So see, Poppins is here. And if you want to edit, so you click here and you select the text. And here we can type here like learn easy code is here. So Learn Easy Code is a website designer. Like you can see our story, creative solutions, custom web design. So we offer like web development services. Okay, so Learn Easy Code, and I will type here like web development services. So everything we can now see if we click here. So crafted websites and graphics that leave a lasting impression. So you can also change it. I will show you just few things to edit. So definitely you will edit entire website and you will publish it. So as I'm telling you that once you select the element on the right side, you can see editing options, including journal, styles, and also animations. For example, this, so you can also see the styles, like, if you want to make spacing, border, margin, you want to apply border. So these all things, you can check here, like, see, this is like this border radius also you can apply. And, like border width also you can change. Now see, there is a border, you can see. So we reduce the border, like this. So if you want, you can change, apply anything from here. So this is the first thing. When you want to edit the text, you click here and you can just type here the text and it will edit. Like this button you want to change, you can also see here everything, like the button full width, fluid, and everything is here, like full border, box shadow, anything you want to edit, so you can edit here. Okay, and this you can see, like in journal section, if you come, this is the image appearance, like opacity if you want to change. In journal section, like see the image in, by itself image, if you want to change, you can click here and you can upload the image from here. See, upload the image, and if we go to the downloads folder, for example, we upload like so as I downloaded the image, you saw. Now we can see if we upload the image, so see the image will also upload. See, insert media, so you can also insert media here. And see, this is the broken image, but it will be upload, like once we make it live. Sometimes, it shows like here broken, but nothing to worry. So the next, like we can change this, our story and other things. See, now it is showing So after once we refresh, it can show. You can also click here, and in my media you can also move to Unsplash or Pixabay. So Unsplash, you can also search here, for example, web development, and you will find a lot of images. So you want to change, you can like click here, insert media, and save. So how easily we can change it. If it shows broken image, you just refresh the page and it will be there. And see everything now our story. So you can click and you can edit the text. Now, for example, creative solutions, so custom web design, e-commerce web development, and now, for example, you want to change it to WordPress. So you can change your WordPress development. And now this image you want to change. So as I told you, you can click here, you can go to Unsplash and search here like WordPress, and see WordPress related. You have found a lot of images. So you can select any one of them, insert media, and see. Incredibly, we have changed the image and also text. So all these things we can change. Testimonials also we can change. Like this is from Omer Butt, and this is Learn Easy Code is the best platform that offers a lot of incredible professional web development services, and we are really satisfied with the company services. See, so how we can change it, and frequently asked questions we can also change it. Everything we can change it, as I told you. Here you can see everything, you can find here the list item here, like this is the list item 1. So you can change it, see. So everything you can change. Just you need to check this, and here also. So on the right side we find every option and we can change it. So this is also you can change the journal styles. Everything is here. So we have not created any form yet. So you can see there is not showing form. So we can create the form as well. So this is the navigation. So you can see home, about us, services, contact us. For example, you want to add a new option. So add item. So you can add item here, like go to page, like this page, it should go like, thank you page, for example. So it is thank you. So you can see the thank you pages here. Now, if you want to change it, so you can move it here like this. See, now it is showing under services. See, now after, so if you want to make it drop down menu, so you need to move it a little bit here. So then it will be like here. Now it will be drop down. See. So easily how you can do this, and see the thing is here, navigation, and everything is here. So you can find here, typography, line height, each and everything, logo settings. So you can change the logo also from here as we change the image. So you can also change the logo by uploading here. So once you have done it, you can, save it, and you can, if you want to preview it. The SEO also you can see here, the content, home, description, keywords, author, a lot of things you can do here. And if you want to preview, you can click on this eye and it will see you the preview of your website. That looks incredible as we change this heading. Which also change this image, and you can see all these things that we changed. And once we are satisfied, we can also click on this option, home, and here we can see other options, like if we want to edit contact us. So the contact us, you can see the contact us page is here. So we can see the contact us page also we can edit here. See, if we click on, see, if you want to add, like get in touch is here. If you click here, and if you want to add, for example, bulleted list here, so bulleted list is here. Now you can edit this one. And if you want to delete this one, so you can also delete it from here. So adding and subtraction of the elements also, you can click on plus, and whatever you want to add here, like here you want to add, see, forms and surveys. If you want to add like contact form, so you can see, select your form. So first we need to create the form, that then we can add. So see, get in touch with us, that form also is here now. One form that we can create and one that we selected from the list, it is here. So get in touch with us, so we can also save it, and we can save it. Yes, so we can save it. So can we refresh, so you can see the form is here. So this is also a very good thing that we can preview the things just after saving instantly. So here you can see the settings of other things like typography and the settings also you can see here. So now, for example, just give me 1 minute. So this is the URL you can see here, the app.gohighlevel.com/preview trio. So this is the the URL. So you need to connect the domain. So in future, definitely I will show you that how you can connect your domain that you have purchased from here, or from connect domain, like you can if you have purchased from other registrars, how we can connect it. So definitely that will also I will show you in the future. But right now in this video, we have done about the designing and building websites in GHL and GoHighLevel. And here you can see, as I told you, all pages you can just navigate one by one and you can edit them. And you can also preview both desktop and mobile devices, that how it will look in mobile, like the home page that we created. So we can see that how it will look in desktop and in mobile device as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends, so they can learn a lot of things and they can increase their professional skills. Press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.